The bird feeder is this woodpecker. Now it's on the tree there, pecking at the tree. The woodpecker. He can't make up his mind whether to peck at the tree or to eat from the bird feeder, right? So cute. Well, that's a cardinal. Cardinal couple on the ground. I can see only one now. Oh, woodpecker, bird feeder now. Yeah, it's come to the bird feeder. Look at that. So the woodpecker cannot make up its mind whether to have the grains from the bird feeder or go up the tree and peck at the tree. Look at it. Once again, pecking at the tree. Peck, peck, pecking out the melody. The melody is a bumblebee.